Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm making corn casserole. The things which I will need to make the recipe are 1 can of corn with liquid and 1 without liquid, about 8 ounces of sour cream, 1 small bell pepper chopped, half onion chopped, 2 eggs large, 2 tablespoons of butter, about 2 cups of cheddar cheese, some paprika, 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk, about 8.5 ounces of corn muffin mix. In this recipe I'm using Jiffy's. If you're in the US, that will be easily available for you. The first step for this recipe is melting the butter, and I will also use 2 tablespoons of olive oil with the butter so the butter does not burn. I will saute the onions until they are translucent, and then I will also add the bell pepper until the aroma comes out. The sauteing of bell pepper and the onions will take about 5 minutes, and then I will put these aside. The next step of the recipe is to blend the corn with some liquid in it and make it into a cream consistency. I will put that aside and I will whisk eggs, and to that I will add my creamed corn muffin mix, whole corn, and my sauteed onion and bell pepper. After a good mix, I will convert the batter to a baking dish. I'm using a 9x9, and then I will add some milk to my sour cream and I will put it on top of the batter, trying to make a layer out of it. On that I will sprinkle the cheddar cheese and some paprika. We will need to bake this at 450 Fahrenheit for 45 minutes. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe. Thank you.